What's going on, guys? Happy Monday. CVNA today allowed me to have a nice green day. We're going to go ahead and dive into how I caught this today, some issues I had today in my own trading, and let's just go ahead and dive into it. So on last night's watch list, we really didn't have a whole lot going on. We just had CVNA. Usually we've got, 4 or 5, maybe even 6 setups to watch for the next day. Today we just had CVNA. So CVNA was my main watch today. I really didn't see a whole lot that I personally liked for for today. So last night's scan was pretty minimal. So that's kind of where my issues brewed today. So did really good on CVNA today. Don't get me wrong. Right out of the open, I traded this perfectly. Literally 2 AT. I said, let's wait for, 3 to 5 minutes to confirm off the opening range breakout. Waited for that confirmation of the opening range breakout after 9:34. Nailed entry here, had a perfect plan, executed to a T. And that's kind of where it ended this morning. So did really well. He still ended the day nice and green. So, I'm still nice and green today, but the issue here lied from only having the one setup that I really liked today, and that really caused me to, I think, scrounge for re-entry. So I traded this perfectly this morning. You can see we actually played this from 51.70 all the way to 55.80. So we got like a $4 move on this, which was absolutely insane. Pull it up right here. A $4 move on this from the open all the way up to the high. And you can see here, had a re-entry, had a re-entry, had a re-entry. And the issue here was, took the re-entry here with smaller size, about a quarter of my original size here, trying to get the break up to the high, took a small loss, gave back about a quarter of my profit, took a break-even trade here, took a small win here, just couldn't really get anything going, and I had my stops at the right level at 54 in the afternoon, and what did I do? I raised them up too tight before it even confirmed my thesis. So I would have tacked on some more profit here at the end of the day had I left my stops a tad bit looser. It is what it is, but that's kind of where my issues came in today. This morning did fantastic. This afternoon, I usually never trade after 11. Today I did trade after 11, and what do you know? Break even, break even, break even. No reason for me to be trading in the afternoon. Point blank, freaking period. So, that today was my big red flag. I did break my rules today, trading the afternoon. Reason why, I only had the one setup this morning. And I was like, you know what? Let's try to keep on watching this afternoon, see if we can't capitalize on this move a little bit more. And I shouldn't have, because my original plan was, again, right out of open for the room up to that 55 level. So still ending the day green. So did really, really well. The plan here was awesome and did well. This whole trade, you can actually go back and watch on my profile. If you want to go back, you can watch this live trade from 51.70 to the 55s this morning. And, it's super, super awesome trade. You guys did really, really well. I see in the chat this morning as well. So, all in all, I can't really complain too much. I get easily disappointed in myself whenever I break my own rules. And today was one of those days where, it's Monday. I was, had a good bit of cushion this morning from the one trade on Carvana. So I was like, let's keep on, see if we can't capitalize more on this move here. See if we can't get the break up to the high of day. And just couldn't really get anything really going. I was keeping it too tight. I was trading, and I think the reason for that is because I was trading outside of my hours. So I knew I was wrong in trading outside of my hours, so I kept it a little bit tighter, trying to prevent myself from taking a larger loss, prevent myself from trying to give back too much profit, and ended up causing me to just take 2 break-even trades. So again, it is what it is. I think I gave back maybe a third of the profit from this morning, so still nice and green today. It's just one of those things where you have to, be at least a little bit self-aware of the mistakes that you make, so you don't make those mistakes going forward. So that was my day today, but super, super easy on CVNA. Literally just waited for the opening range breakout today. Super awesome chart here. Again, it was the only setup we had on the nightly watch list. So super, super simple setup. Just waited for it to find buyers over its opening range high right here at 51.50, risking right here at 51.20, right at the 9 EMA. Doesn't really get much easier than that. Looking forward to just capitalizing more and more and more on these A+ setups this week. We have a lot of swing watches this week as well to play into the next year. So keep an eye on those this week off the swing watch list. And again, that is in the Discord. To join Discord to get our watch list, our swing watch list, our nightly watch list, our live trading, our classes, all that good jazz. Make sure you go to my bio, claim that 5-week trial while spots last, and I'll see you guys there. Make sure to click that follow, like this video for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys next time.